Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing our video word chart for the diamond weave, and we are using my sun pattern. Here is your piece up to this point. It's row 1 and row 2, and we're now going to add row 3. Now first we want to add the first 4 beads for our first set, and that will be a B color, then an A color, another B, and an A. Then we'll let that drop down to be next to our previous row. And then we see where our string is coming out, and we're going to go into the next bead. And come out the third bead after it, so we're going to go through 2 beads. So here our string is coming out, so we're going to go into that next bead and out through the following one. And there's our 4 beads, and with my fishing line, mine tend to twist. If yours does also, don't worry about it. And now we will continue our row. 2 through 6, as you can see, are all the same, so we will just continue to add 4 B colors for each one. So for the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let them drop down. And then we find where our string is coming out, and we'll be going into the next bead, and we'll go through 2 beads. So our string is coming out here, we're going to go into the next one and out through the following, and we have our 4 beads on, and as usual they will twist. And then we will repeat. Add our 4 B colors. Let them drop down. Find the next bead where our string's coming out. The next one we're going to go into, and then we'll go into it and out the next one. So there's our string, go in and then out the next one. And there's our 4 beads, and there I show them twisted. Now we'll do our next 4. Let them drop down. Then we see where our string is coming out, and we will enter the next one here, and we will go through 2 beads. And there's our 4 beads, and they will twist. Now we'll add the next 4. Let them drop down. Then we'll see where our string is coming out, and we'll go into that next bead, and we'll go through 2 beads. And there's our beads on, and then they do twist. Now, when you have a larger pattern and you have several that are the same, you do want to occasionally count where and see where you are. So remember, you count each set of beads. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know we have one more set of all the same color. So we'll add on our 4. And we let them drop down. And then we see where our string is coming out, and we will enter the next bead. And we'll go through 2 beads. 1 and 2. And then we have our 4 beads on, and they do twist. Now my string has gotten short enough that I am going to need to add a new string. So I am going to do that in the next video. So the next video will be adding or securing your existing string and adding a new one, and then we'll also finish off row 3. So I will see you there.